Kip were out on the ocean. The box floated on the waves. It bobbed up and down. "We're sailing, Kip," said Bert, "and I'm having a lot of fun." But Kip wasn't having fun at all. "We lost," he cried. "We will be lost at sea forever." "Oh, don't be silly, Kip," said Bert. "We won't be lost at sea forever. We're not even lost." "I miss my hole," cried Kip, "and I miss our tree. I don't like sailing anymore." Soon the box landed on some rocks. "Oh no," said Kip. "Now we're stuck in a foreign land." "No, we aren't," said Bert. "We're still home. See, there's a roller coaster." Said Kip. "You're right. Do you know what this means?" asked Kip. "We're sailing all the way around the